Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a quick little Halloween share. I am trying to do flat mail and so last year I did receive this and I'm not sure who I got it from. I want to say it was Crafting with Fury, but I don't remember. Anyway, if you're the one who blessed me with this little FOLIO, please comment down below and let me know. But yeah, how cute is this? So I got my inspiration from this. There's a little pocket here. It's a good way to use a paper pad too, because it takes almost a full sheet and you can use the rest for embellishments. But these are the two that I've made so far, and these are the other four that I'm going to use to make more. So let's see. It says, would a bad witch wear shoes this fabulous? And I've just used a paper clip to keep it closed. So I've added two embellishments here for the recipient to remove and use. And then in this tuck spot here, I've added some stickers. And I've tucked some tags and die cuts in this tuck spot. And then I'm just going to add my little note here in this little folder. But then they can reuse it too and gift it on. Yeah, so that's one of them. And then the other one, same thing. I used the paper clip bat. Too cute to spook. And I've added my paper cupcake bows, and then it has the little flip out here where you can put your sentiment. I just added these stickers and the rickrack, and then there's a tuck spot here, so I added some journaling cards and some tags, and then I made this tuck spot here, and this is where I added the stickers. And so yeah, it's pretty flat, right? So we'll see how flat it stays. But yeah, so this is my share today. Thank you for the inspiration. I appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until my next video, like and subscribe. And for more videos, shakas.